In the world of fashion, less is often more. And last night, Lily Collins and Cailee Spaeny showed us exactly how it's done. These two style mavens graced their respective red carpets in stunning black dresses that weren't just about simplicity. They were a masterclass in sartorial elegance. Lily Collins, Parisian chic meets Hollywood glamour. Lily Collins, forever channeling her inner Parisian flair, made waves at the Los Angeles premiere of Emily in Paris Season 4. Her custom black Armani Privé dress was a dream, a blend of classic and contemporary. The sequin corset top was pure elegance, while the metallic tulle peplum added a touch of whimsy. But the pièce de résistance? A checkerboard sheer skirt that brought a playful yet refined edge to the ensemble. Styled by the ever-talented Andrew Mukamal, who's known for dressing the likes of Carey, Mulligan, and Zoe Kravitz, Lily's look was a testament to the power of understated glamour. Cailee Spaeny, edgy elegance on the London red carpet. Meanwhile, across the pond in London, Cailee Spaeny turned heads at the Alien, Romulus premiere. Her sleeveless black Mugler dress was a study in sculptural sophistication. The dress featured Mugler's signature body-hugging lines, reimagined in shredded leather that created a unique, almost furry texture. It was the perfect balance of edgy and elegant a look that highlighted Cailee's petite frame beautifully. The art of accessorizing, letting the dress do the talking. What made these looks truly stand out was the duo's approach to accessorizing. Both Lily and Cailee opted for matte black shoes and delicate diamond jewelry, letting their dresses take center stage. Their hair was styled simply, pulled back to showcase their features, proving that sometimes the best beauty looks are the most effortless. Why we're obsessed. These two starlets made a compelling case for the power of a well-tailored black dress. By focusing on texture and fit, rather than embellishments, they turned simplicity into a statement. Whether it's Lily's blend of Parisian chic and Hollywood glamour, or Cailee's edgy take on elegance, these looks remind us that black can be just as exciting as a rainbow-hued ensemble. So next time you're looking for that perfect outfit, remember, a black dress, when done right, is anything but boring. Take a cue from Lily Collins and Cailee Spaeny. Let your dress do the talking, and let your accessories and beauty look play a supporting role. Because in fashion, as in life, sometimes less really is more.